I'm getting a headache from all this noise. Can you please switch it off?
But it's rock music, Mom.
Hi there, I'm Melody. You'd better switch the stereo off. Otherwise, you may get into trouble.
I don't get it. How can she call it noise?
Well, actually, that's not uncommon. What's music for one person can be noise to another. Our attitudes toward sound may differ depending upon the time, place, and other circumstances. In this lesson, you will learn about music, noise, and the ill effects of noise pollution. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to differentiate between noise and music, identify the causes of noise pollution, explain how sign language and technological advances help hearing disabled individuals, and list the measures to minimize noise pollution. We constantly hear different types of sounds around us. However, all sounds are not necessarily pleasing to the ears. Some are harsh and jarring and may cause discomfort. Melodious songs, the rustling of leaves, and the gurgling of a brook are usually considered pleasant sounds. Yet, at times, even a song can sound unpleasant when played loudly.
Then, how would one determine whether a particular sound is a noise or music?
In technical terms, any intolerable and irritating sound is called noise. In fact, the word noise comes from the Latin word nausea, meaning seasickness, referring originally to nuisance noise. On the other hand, the term music refers to any sound that you like listening to. You've heard about air pollution, I'm sure. Vehicles and factories contribute to toxic gases like carbon monoxide and suspended particles in the air. The pollution of air can lead to various health problems.
Yes, I know.
Vote for Mr. Hill. Vote for Mr. Hill. Vote for Mr. Hill.
But how about noise? Can noise also cause pollution?
Sure it can. All undesirable sounds and disturbances around us cause noise pollution. You may have already read about respiratory diseases that can result from air pollution. But not many of us realize that noise pollution can also affect our health adversely. Exposure to excessive noise leads to health disorders like high blood pressure, panic attacks, and lack of sleep. If you are continuously subjected to loud noise, you may end up with a temporary or even permanent hearing impairment. Did you know that noise pollution has effects on the environment too? Military activities, oil drilling, fishing, and the movement of large ships cause a lot of disturbance in oceans. Studies have found that marine mammals like whales and dolphins are very sensitive to this noise. In fact, noise pollution causes deafness in marine creatures.